In this video, I'm going to show you how to download market replay data on NinjaTrader 8. So the first thing you want to do here, once you have your NinjaTrader open, you want to click on where it says connections, and then here you want to click on playback. And in here, you can basically get market replay data. You have to select your instrument. So let's say for this instance, we're going to do Bitcoin, and then you can select your date. So let's say we're going to do the 1st of September, 2025, and then you want to click on download, and this is going to basically load on your data. After that's done, press continue, and then you'll have to basically open up a new chart, and then go to chart, and then make sure you actually select the correct instrument. So for us, it was Bitcoin. There we go. Okay. And then just like this, as you can see, the graph has been populated with the data, and then you can essentially go ahead and just start your market replay. So you can select whenever you want to start it, and then you can select whenever you want to end it, and you can just basically replay using this market replay feature. Over here, it's going to populate the graph, and then you can just go through, and as you can see, it's basically going to do the market replay for you. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.